Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Particle motion question, but this one collapses fast if you use related rates carefully and lock onto the exact x value before taking the derivative. Start with y equals 15 over x squared plus 1.3 to the x, then set y equal to 2, so the denominator must be 7.5, giving x close to 2.37. Now differentiate y with respect to x. dy dx equals negative 15 times 2x plus 1.3 to the x times ln 1.3 over that denominator squared. Then evaluate near x equals 2.37. That derivative's about negative 1.397, and since dx dt is 3, multiply by the chain rule to get dy dt about negative 4.190. Well done! Option D, scan now. Trap, signs, and rushing. Rule, trust the given rate and check each step before choosing.